Hi, I'm Grant from the Streaming Guys. Thanks for joining. We produce over 400 events a year, and the only reason we're at that event is to live video stream. So we need to ensure we've got great connectivity. One of the items we use to ensure that we get the connection we need is the G-Spotter high gain antenna. It comes with the cabling, fly leads to connect to your modem, a desktop stand which is also a magnetic stand which you can put on the top of your car or any other metallic surface. It certainly increases the bandwidth that you'll get. It gives you better signal, further distance, and as I mentioned, higher bandwidth. You can see we've got this unit plugged into a standard Telstra modem. We're in the basement of a hotel underground, and we've got 5 bars of Telstra connectivity. We'll do a quick speed test to give you a demonstration of the capabilities of this unit. So you'll notice we're getting a good ping of less than 100 milliseconds. 36 is fantastic. We've got a download speed of nearly 70 megabits per second. And importantly, we're now going to see the upload bandwidth that we need. We always like to have at least 10 megabits of bandwidth upload speed at a venue, or certainly out on a football ground, and you can see here we've got almost 40 megabits per second of bandwidth. We use this out in the field, we use them in venues, and we use them downstairs in the basement of the old hotel. Thanks for joining. I'm Grant from the Streaming Guys. See you again soon.